Anderson plugs. Now these are used very commonly for all sorts of additional power going from your vehicle to your trailer, your caravan, your camper, whatever it is, or simply just plugging into the back of your vehicle to run your fridge while you're out camping in your swag. A lot of people just put them straight on like this, but they're not really weatherproof. You can buy little weatherproof caps that work really well. I've used them many times before. My favorite is this little housing here. Now, this housing here fully encloses the entire unit inside. It's got seals at the back so no water can get in there, seal at the front so no water can get in the front, and they just look really neat too, so fantastic. Right, first thing you need to do is just take note which is your positive and your negative side, and the reason for doing that, when the clips go in, the clip part needs to be facing downwards so it goes in all right. Now, if you just wire them up okay, you end up trying to twist your wires because you haven't got them quite lined up. It's not a drama, it just is all about how it looks at the end of the day. So your negatives on the left and your positives on the right, that's going to be the same all the time. So when we go to put our clips in, I'm just going to sit it here in the vise. Now I'm just very gently clamping that up. There's no pressure there whatsoever. So now all we need to do is get our soldering wire, our little heating torch, and heat up the bottom of the clip. Starting to melt. Fill it up so you just see that top little part come in. Get your positive wire first and slide it in. Hold it. It really doesn't take long, a few seconds, but make sure you hold it so it stays nice and firm and it's in there solid. That's it. Now, to get these in, it's pretty simple. Just line that up, just so it fits in there. Get a screwdriver, just be careful you don't slip and grab yourself, and just wait for the click. Same with the other side. Righto, there you go, that Anderson plug has been completed. Give it a really good firm pull back, make sure that they're not going to come out, that they're all nice and solid in there. We're going to use our little housing. Just be careful you don't lose everything out of this. That screw, backing plate, open it up. Righto. Now, the cool thing is these have an extra little wire in them so you can have this light on telling you that there's power to your Anderson plug. I'm actually not going to run this because it can be a little bit distracting. So I'm just going to tuck all that wire up inside. If I decide to wire it up later, well, the wire's there, and literally all I've got to do, pull those two plugs out, just with a screwdriver, pop them out, hold them back in the vise, melt my solder, slide the wire back in, let it set, and it's hooked up. It's as simple as that. So I've tucked them all in there. You've got this little weather seal. Sit that weather seal just on the back like that. You can see everything tucked away. Now we'll just slip to open those wires up a fraction. Line that all up. Fold our top lid up and slide it on. Just making sure that weather seal lines up with the rear. Get our little top locking nut in place. Flip it over, drop our screw through, and do it back up. There you have it there. That is ready to go onto our bracket. Now it's only got one screw holding it in because we're actually going to have 4 other screws on the side. You can have 6 if you really want. 4 will be sufficient enough. That'll bolt straight down onto our bracket. Righto, that's it. It's as simple as that. Sturdy as. I've used this system in pretty much everything I've ever done before, and it's never failed me ever. So it's really good. Don't try and clamp it down. You're never going to get that clamp. It's always going to try to pull out. And I really like these, what are these from? Trailer Vision. So these are really cool little housing. I like that they got weatherproof seals front and back. It keeps everything nice and neat and tidy. I've already done the red one, side by side, and our whole unit is ready to be all bolted onto the bracket and then bolted on the Prado. So hopefully this has helped you guys. Anyway, that's it for this video. Take care of yourselves.